they will gain more confidence in going this way in farming. I think there are a lot out there that think the same and that feel the same, that we're not really going in the right direction with needing or relying of chemistry in our farming process, but that there's got to be a smarter way, and actually there is.
The Southern Lights pilot farm is a marginal olive grove that lies in the rocky and dry hills just above the Evrotas River valley in the south of Peloponnese.
My family used to farm it since many, many years. And they also used to bring the animals here in winter when there was snow in the village. So the land is very, very rocky. It has olive trees inside that we harvest every year.
Unmanaged sheep and goats of nearby shepherds graze here, contributing to the erosion and depletion of the soil. Just thorny pioneer species survive in these conditions, besides the olive trees.
I think it has never seen conventional agriculture with fertilizer and pesticides. It was more a natural farming place. But it has a monoculture. I mean, there are lots of wild shrubs and bushes around, but not really in a managed way like we do in agroforestry, where we really choose what kind of species we want and which benefits they will have for the land and for our main crop, which here in this case is olives.
This is a situation commonly found throughout the Mediterranean, which is why we chose this land as a pilot. Regeneration will be quite a challenge.
Yeah, since years we're coming here with our team from the Southern Lights, and every time we're thinking we have to do something on this land. But we didn't do so many years because we didn't know how to deal with the topic of the animals coming and grazing here. So we have to find a good solution. Planting trees and plants that the animals won't eat, but they will regenerate the soil through their organic matter, through bringing biodiversity and supporting the other plants and the olive trees.
We decided to use the rocks scattered over the land to manage the rainwater runoff, to encourage the water to slow down and increase the infiltration rate. Further, we created planting patterns amongst the scattered olive trees to create hedges that won't bother the olive harvest. Along the edges that we will plant, manure, wood chips of cane and other locally available vegetation will be integrated.
I really like the approach of regenerative farming because you really plan what exactly you want to achieve in your land and how it connects with your goals and your economic goals, which then also it gives you resilience, because in some years the olive trees are not doing good, but then you don't mind. You have herbs and you have carrots and you have pomegranates all from the same land, so you're much more resilient. You attract lots of different birds and animals and insects that again help you bring a balance in your system. Yeah, I really like also the scientific approach and collaboration with the universities, which help us to observe over time how the parameters develop.
The regeneration of this land will follow a slow but steady path. This model, which focuses on low inputs, could be mimicked by many other farmers facing the same context.
As a farmer, you do one part, which is growing the food, but then the other part is the consumer that is demanding the kind of food. There is not enough supply of this kind of products, but the demand is much higher. So don't give up on it. This is permaculture design. You place the elements in a way that they support your land and the regeneration of the land.